up with those 2 holes there. There we go. You push the trigger here, and then this comes straight up. Now it's loose from the ball. Once it's clear, then you move the car forward. It's got to go forward.
Oh, okay.
And then down.
Okay.
And then to put it back, same thing, down, and then it clips it there. But to stabilize it, the first thing you want to do is lower the front pretty much all the way down. And you set up the back legs.
Okay.
Once you set up the back legs, then you can kind of put pressure on those back legs to take some pressure off the wheels, and then you stabilize the front legs. And then you let it down, you kind of see, all right, do I got to go down a little bit more, a little bit less to make it level. There's a level right here. I never use that though, I just use a regular level. Usually put it on the floor inside, open the door, and just check it out. Same thing, you pull this down. See how it's all the way up?
Yep.
So now I'll put this under here, straight underneath it. And then when I push this lever here, it goes down.
Okay.
See that? And now it's on there, kind of loosely, but as soon as I start jacking it up, it'll put pressure on it. Use this crank, goes right in there. And you start cranking.
Oh, that's so easy.
There's 2 sets of we got these that spin on themselves, and these are rails where this is going to roll on the rails. And then these you kind of set aside for now. Just like this, right up there, right into the channel. You just pull it out. This one slides pretty good. The other side doesn't slide this easy. Right under here, you get a close up, Jamie. There's clips that these channels have to go into. So they'll go there and just like that. Then these are the extra stabilizers. They go here, and then see how it doesn't fit? You got to push up, and then they go in. So on this side here, you have also 4 rods here. So you have the same as far as the rails where it slides, and then you have these are the same on one side, but they are open-ended on the other side because they go right into these spots right here on the tongue. The 2 main slides out, then you can move on to the 3rd slide. So you can't pull the 3rd slide before the other 2 out of the way, because they actually go into a channel that's right. This main slide, there's a locking there, just a locking bracket, and you basically just lift it up, and you just pull it straight up. This is obviously a little stiffer than the other. It's heavy. Same thing here. So you'll need somebody to lift it just a little bit while the other person presses that button to give it a little extra. See that?
Oh, yes.
Same thing on the other side. You lift it just a little extra, put that down. Now this is sturdy. The strip there, strip here. And you want to Velcro it just from that side on in.
Are you going to sleep in this thing? Yeah.
So these here, there's 4 sides like this. There's a zipper because it separates the canvas. There's 3 sections to each canvas. So then I just want to zipper them back down. And then I usually use a step ladder, and I go up there and I go Velcro to Velcro all the way down. Just doesn't take a lot of pressure. It's just little by little. Push this out first, and Jamie's got to get a close up here. Like way up there. And these actually go into those little studs that are right. We'll connect right here. As you push in, you just basically push this in and slide it up. Now it's there. You see how there's two nubs right there?
Yeah.
It goes right in between them and it clips in.
Oh, nice.
And that's it. It just comes straight up. The stove is on a channel back here. Is on this channel, and so that it doesn't move when you're traveling. But then you just lift it up at an angle here, and you pull straight up. Is a propane connection that comes through this hole right here,
Okay.
which connects to the nipple, right up to this wood
Oh, yeah,
channel,
I saw that picture.
and it just stays here.
Nice.
And the propane connection is right there.
Cool.
So up here, there's two knobs, and you straighten them out because they're holding the door up there. And then this comes straight down. To get it mounted on the door there, you gotta pull it out like this,
Oh, okay.
and then down there, you get a close up, Jamie? It goes right into those channels on the side.
Okay.
Once it's there, you just push and you lock it in place by
Okay.
moving these. And then these right here are locking the door from opening because you want the whole thing to go up here. So then you just turn these down. This little connector goes there, and this goes straight up. Now it's locked. Now we can open the door all together. Lift
Nice.
these up, these are the backrests. This is the table, so right now it's on Velcro so it doesn't move. You got the bottoms. And then these go right on top of the bottoms.
Okay.
If you wanted this to be a sleep space, you would put the table there just the way it was. And then you would put the cushions all together. So you'd put this cushion, that cushion,
Oh.
and it would be
okay.
one
Yep.
one more mattress.
Nice.